Okay, what we're dealing with is a P0420 catalyst low efficiency. This just to show the before. Both O2s, combine them together, graph it up. Now it's gonna be kind of squashed, but you will still be able to see yellow and blue, kind of both the same. That yellow line should be almost straight across, because the catalytic converter should be getting rid of, all of the bad stuff, supposedly, and that'll smooth that line out, according to the O2 that's in the back. But according to this, they about the same, as you can see. So we're gonna do the after we change this. Yeah, we're dealing with that right now. You see that's rusty, right? So we hit it with some penetrating fluid overnight and a wire brush. Now we're gonna see what size that nut is and go from there. Okay, so I had to use the nut extractor. That's a 11 millimeter. Oh, see, one of them broke. That one I got loose with a 12. That one, that's the extractor. I'm gonna use the extractor on that one. 11 millimeter. Actually, I lied. The last one I got off I used that 13. This one I had to use that 11. But it broke like the first one. So what we're dealing with, as you can see, bottom two broke. It's pretty much loose. That one off, and that one I just got holding it in. Alright. Rock Auto, that's the hardware. That's what we're dealing with. Look good on the outside. Only problem I see is these holes is way larger than them holes, but we might have to drill it out. Now we just gotta match it up to get the right length where I'm gonna cut it. So as you can see, they get a little skinnier, so that should go dead inside of that. So what we need to do is cut it about where it starts dipping. So somewhere up in there. Okay, trusty dusty, hyper tough, and the extension cord. We already got it marked. Right there where we cutting it. I might even set y'all up to look at that. Then them hoes is big now. It's just so rusty on the other side. Okay. Open up. I know it's hard to see, but you can't see through it at all. I should be able to see some sun. I don't see anything. Okay. I had to drill out them holes, sand them out. I could have got smaller bolts, but I ain't feel like going over. So I just drilled out the rust on the old plate, and then they got through. As you can see over here, we got our little muffler cement. And then we're gonna put the band clamp, the U-bolt, and seal that side up right now. We're gonna worry about that crank position sensor later. We're gonna let it heat up actually. Now you see, I'm gonna say that's fixed. P0420.